Who put that rock in the road? Da, 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 da. And poor dogs. They love it. Well, they don't know any better either. Ooh, I heard that. Hope my springs don't pop out. Yeah, I got spacers in my springs, part of my lift. And I did knock one out one time. Okay, this is going to get a little bit technical, so I may have to.
A little bit? This is the big jump.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna let the camera go. Put it forward low. Come on, baby. Let Jordan get across there. I can see that my trailer hitch is going to hit. There's a big rock right there too. Okay, be nice. I'm still filming. I'm all right?
Yeah, you're good.
Okay. It'd be devastating to hit. Ooh, who put that rock there? Big rock. Okay, we're gonna go up now. Go Ranger. Danger Ranger. Whew. Oh, that's right, there's another one. Well, I might as well keep this going. See if I can drive one-handed. Don't try this at home. Well, that don't look so tough. There's no rocks, is there?
No.
Going down now. Now we're going to go up. Okay. Yeah. Ta-da. Piece of cake. It's going to take 10 hours to upload my video on YouTube. It usually takes me 3.5, 4 hours. I just got to tell my computer, don't go to sleep.
Yeah.
No, I usually put it on for 3 hours. What are we doing? Are we stopping? Oh, he's negotiating. Nice speeding.
Oh no, here's that.
Ooh, I like that side of that right there. That's beautiful. Nice tree too. Okay, here we go. We're still on low.
Better give him some space here.
Little river crossing. I think we got a few of them in here, don't we?
Look at that mountain.
Up and down. All around. Well, I would shut this off and start another one, but it seems kind of silly, right?
A little.
A little. Okay, this is a very rocky one here, so I'm going to put this down because I got to pay attention. So, watch him go. But there's a lot of rocks up there, bigger rocks. Okay, there you go. My turn. Well, not yet. Okay, later.